Did you know that after the age of 25, our skin loses about 1% of its collagen every year? Collagen keeps your skin firm and smooth, but as it decreases, dullness and wrinkles begin to appear. Dermatologists have discovered one powerful ingredient that helps fight this: vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the most dermatologist-approved and scientifically proven ingredients in skincare. It's a strong antioxidant that protects your skin from pollution, sunlight, and stress. Think of it as a shield that fights free radicals, the tiny unstable molecules that speed up aging and cause dark spots. Studies show that vitamin C can increase collagen production by up to 30% and reduce dark spots within 8 to 12 weeks. The most effective type of vitamin C used in skincare is called L-ascorbic acid. According to dermatologists, the ideal concentration is between 10% and 20%. Less than 10% may not show visible results, while more than 20% can irritate your skin. The best vitamin C serums have a pH level between 2.5 and 3.5, which helps it absorb properly and work efficiently. Vitamin C is very sensitive to light and air. If it's exposed for too long, it loses its power and turns brown or orange. That means it's oxidized. That's why good vitamin C serums come in dark or airtight bottles. If your serum changes color, it's time for a new one. So what exactly does vitamin C do for your skin? When UV rays and pollution hit your skin, they cause oxidative stress, damaging your cells and breaking down collagen. Vitamin C neutralizes this damage and helps your skin stay strong and youthful. A 12-week study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology showed that people who used vitamin C daily saw up to a 40% reduction in pigmentation and improved smoothness. That's why dermatologists call it a brightening powerhouse. Another secret is that vitamin C boosts the power of your sunscreen. When you apply vitamin C in the morning and then sunscreen on top, you create a double layer of protection. This combo helps prevent premature aging and dark spots. That's why experts call it the gold standard for healthy, glowing skin. Vitamin C also works best when combined with ingredients like vitamin E and ferulic acid. Together, they become more stable and effective. A formula with 15% L-ascorbic acid, 1% vitamin E, and 0.5% ferulic acid can offer almost twice the antioxidant protection compared to vitamin C alone. Dermatologists usually recommend using vitamin C in the morning, since that's when your skin faces sunlight and pollution. Start slow. A few drops every other day, then increase as your skin adjusts. With regular use, most people notice visible results in 2 to 3 months: brighter, smoother, and more even skin. Vitamin C also helps with acne scars and marks by speeding up skin repair and promoting new, healthy cells. That's why it's a favorite ingredient for people dealing with pigmentation and uneven tone. However, not all vitamin C serums are equal. Some products use unstable or weak forms that don't absorb properly. Dermatologists look for 3 main things: stability, concentration, and pH level, to ensure real results. Vitamin C isn't just another skincare trend. It's a proven, science-backed ingredient that helps you achieve healthy, radiant, and youthful-looking skin. It's like giving your face a daily dose of sunshine and protection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Tell us in the comments, have you tried vitamin C serum yet? Or are you planning to add it to your routine?